All right, I know I've answered a lot of questions on this one. This question is so tricky, it's hard. We almost like overthink it. Cole's hockey team has played 12 games so far this season. He has scored in 7 of those games. Based on this data, what is the probability he will score in his next game? Okay, so how many games has he scored in? Well, he scored in 7. How many games has he played? 12. So simple, it's hard. That's my answer. Because it's just asking us for the probability, and we can leave it as a fraction. We're done, just like that. All right, these next 2 problems are going to require more work. My apologies for that, but I think you may have to watch this video over once or twice and try to rework the problems to make sure you fully are understanding how to do this. So when we take a look at this pi, we remember that it has to equal 1 whole pi. Okay, so when I look at my 9, I look at my 6, I look at my 3, I got to get my common denominator. So I'm going to get my common denominator is 18. So I'm going to put all of these and set them equal to 18 so that you can see me convert it into a similar fraction. So 3 times 6 is going to take me to 18. So 6 is on top. 6 times 3 is going to take me to 18. So 1 times 3 is 3. 9 times 2 is 18, so 2 times 2 is 4. Now that I've kind of done that dirty work, we're going to add these 2 up. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 6 is going to give me 13. 13 out of 18. Now, to have 1 whole pi, we have to have 18 over 18. So when I do 18 over 18, subtract that from 13, I'm going to get 5 over 18. That is my missing part, which is going to be right there. Okay? Then when I go on to the other question, so I have 3, 4, 8, and 12, and I need to find my common denominator with that. All right, so when I look for my common denominator, apparently someone wants to come say hi. Penelope, you want to say hi?
Hi.
All right, so we have 1/3.
Ah, it's coming off.
Yep.
Can I try?
Not right now. My common denominator is going to be 24. Okay? So I have 1/4 times whatever is going to take me to 24. And then 1/8 is going to be 24. And 3/12 is also going to take me to 24. So I'm going to multiply 12 times, oops, I wrote down this 12. That needs to be 24. So times 2, 6 times 2, or sorry, 3 times 2 is 6. Nope, you gotta wait for me, Penelope. And then, Penelope is throwing me off here. 8 times 3 is gonna give me 24. 1 times 3, that's a sloppy 3, around the tree, right? Isn't that what you say, Penelope? Around the tree to make a 3? No? Okay. 4 times 6.
Around the tree.
Oh, around the tree, around the tree. I forgot that. My fault. 1 times 6 is going to give me 6. 3 times 8 over 8. So that's going to give me 8. All right, so I'm going to add all of these up. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 3 is going to give me 17. Plus 6 is going to give me 23 over 24. And then remember it has to equal 24 over 24. So if I subtract that, it's going to give me 1/24. Okay? Penelope, you want to wish them good luck on their test?
How can we raise them?
Okay. All right, let's take a look at this one. So now we are looking for fractions that are 40%. That is what we need. So we need to calculate all of these fractions into percentages. So the first thing that I have is 9 over 40, which when I type that into my calculator, 9 divided by 40 is going to give me 22.5%. 2 divided by 5, that's going to give me 40%. 3 divided by 7 is going to give me 43%. 3 divided by 4 is 75%. 8 divided by 20 is 40%. 200 divided by 500 is 40%. 21 divided by 28 on my calculator, multiply it by 100, 75%. 6 divided by 12 is 50%. Okay? Now that I know these percentages, we're looking for 40%. Okay? So that's this one, and this one. So that's going to give me 3 out of 8 for the probability. All right, hang in there. We are almost done. We have 2 problems left. So looking at this problem, it is rewriting the distributive property or using the distributive property. So as a reminder, for our expression, 100 stays on the outside, and then we break up 36 into base 10 blocks, and that's going to be made up of 30 plus 6. Or you could also write it as 100 times 30 plus 100 times 6. Either way will get you the correct answer. To find the product, then I'm going to do my 3000, and then the 6 is going to be plus 600. So my product is going to be 3600. Okay? Remember, either one of those top answers for the expression will work on Canvas. All right, we've made it to the last problem. Say woohoo.
To use the purple.
Yep, I'll use the purple one this time. All right. So what is the least common multiple of the greatest common factor? We always tend to struggle with remembering how to do that.
How did it turn into purple?
Well, because I selected it. So remember, we do the upside down division. And what goes into both 9 and 36? 9 does. Nope, don't write on it. 9 divided by 9 is going to give me 1. 36 divided by 9 is going to give me 4. Okay? So when I'm doing this, right there, that L is going to be my LCM. So what people forget is you have to multiply 9 times 1
that's not how you make it
times
9.
4.
Because it's circle and down.
A circle and down. Okay. So 9 times 4 is going to give me 36. And then my GCF is actually just right here, which is 9. Okay? Now you might not have seen that the 9 goes right into both of those.
Yellow.
So instead, some of you might have said 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 36 divided by 3 is 12. Well, now I look at 3 and 12, and both 3 goes out of them. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And again, I still have the same thing there. 3 times 3 times 4 still gives me 36. 3 times 3 is going to give me 9. All right, good luck on your test. See ya.